Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the correct Microsoft account and make sure Rewards is enrolled for your region. Once done, check that your payment method or voucher details are saved and valid, because missing billing info often blocks checkout. Make sure you're using an up-to-date browser or the Microsoft Edge app. If you already tried before, open a private or incognito window and retry the order to eliminate cache or extension interference before moving to deeper fixes. You now inspect the failure details. Note any error codes or exact messages because they point to the cause. Then, disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, and VPNs that can alter headers or location. Once disabled, refresh and retry. Make sure your account country and the shipping or redemption region match. Mismatches commonly block orders. If redeeming to Xbox or a partner store, confirm the linked account or console is synced and accepts rewards redemptions before proceeding. You finish by retrying the order after each fix, noting any transaction ID, timestamp, or error text for support. Once the purchase goes through, verify the receipt in rewards history and any linked service within 1 hour. If you still see failures, check for pending holds on your card or temporary authorizations. Wait 24 hours and reattempt. If problems persist, contact Microsoft Rewards Support and provide screenshots, error codes, and the steps you followed so they can resolve account-specific blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.